Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we had a very strong push down late on Friday because of some tariff news. Now, the thing is we're right in between two Fibonacci levels, and you wouldn't really expect price to turn down right in between two Fib levels. But if you go all the way up to the weekly, and you look, this definitely was not able to hold above the 61%. So if it does decide to go down from here, then you would look at this on the weekly and say, oh yeah, that respected the 61% perfectly. So, that's just relative to what time frame you're on. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would keep an eye on it just in case it does keep going down. Now, the problem I have is that a lot of the yen pairs don't really look like they're finished, and it may just keep on going up. So I would still be a little bit cautious, but I would have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. If you do get it like a nice engulfing move to the downside at one of these fib levels, then I definitely would take it as a short. If you go short and it turns into a big impulsive move, then that's a wave three. If you go short and it goes down towards these lows right here, then turns back up, then you're probably looking at a wave C, and it's probably going to continue the higher time frame uptrend. So, hopefully we can potentially learn and earn at the same time whether we're going to look at a wave three or whether we're looking at a wave C. But either way, I definitely, like I said, would be cautious because there is a chance that it just keeps on drifting up. So I would definitely want to see the turn at a fib level in order to actually take the short. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.